What's up, guys? Today we have a iPhone 12 Pro that I'm going to be unboxing and doing kind of like a first impression kind of video. It's only going to be from a downward angle, but here we go. So as you can see, the box that the phone has come in is significantly smaller than the iPhone 11 Pros. So this case is from a Pro Max, and I mean it's just like, I understand the phone is bigger, but Jesus, yeah. So let's open this thing up, check it out. I know we're missing some parts, but that's that. Man, this thing kind of a little jumbled, but damn, I'll tell you what, these things are definitely clean. So we'll take this off. It feels like an iPhone 5, that's for sure. Turn it on. But yeah, it's the stainless steel on the sides. It's really nice. It's definitely heavy. Probably even heavier than my Pro Max. Now the battery is significantly smaller than last year's iPhones, and that's because of the 5G that they put in them. But watching some battery tests, it's actually not that bad to definitely increase performance for the battery life. So the iPhone 12 Pro is now the same size as the 10R was, the 10R was, and the 12 is. But the screen is bigger than the 11, which is definitely nice. Seeing get that out of here. Seeing just like the screen size between the two here. Let me pull up something. So, the screen size really, it's obviously bigger on the Pro Max, the 11 Pro Max, but we definitely have a lot more space on here than before, which is definitely nice. And it's a whole 0.4 inches bigger, which isn't really that much in reality, but you definitely can tell in here. Obviously, still the Apple's proprietary Lightning cable. We're not seeing the USB-C yet, but all in all, this thing feels pretty nice. Definitely very comfortable. Definitely doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. That's for sure. But yeah, contents. We have just the charger and some just documentation. Nothing really crazy. Now, they don't come with the power adapter, but they do have the charging cable. So the power adapters you're gonna have to buy separately, and they are running from $19 to $29 at Best Buy. So it's not too bad, but it's still an extra accessory that you have to buy when you're already spending $1,000 on a phone. But in reality, it's really not that bad. Yeah, but all in all, this thing's pretty sweet. I like it. I don't know. We'll see. I'll give it a test and I'll do a little review. And I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max coming next week, and I can do a comparison of that as well. And we'll see how they stack up against each other. And then I'll give my impressions of the battery life then. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.